Well, hi there, art explorers. It's been a while. I hope you've been having a really good summer. I've been doing all sorts of interesting stuff, including I've been making a lot of cards. I love making cards because I love sending them to people. I like to imagine how the people feel when they get a card. And the cards I've been making are collages. I've been using paper to make these fun cards. I'm loving these rainbows that I've been doing. There's a cupcake and just a simple heart. I love using collage because I have a lot of paper that I collect. And one of my favorite artists, Henri Matisse, said that collage is drawing with scissors. So collage uses scissors and glue and paper. And if you're someone who thinks you might like to try collage, I've got a kit for you. All the kits come with 2 white cards, 2 craft brown envelopes, and 6 backgrounds, and a couple of other smaller pieces of paper that you can use for all sorts of stuff. Each kit is different though, so what you're seeing here will probably be different in your kit. It also includes a link to a YouTube channel that shows you how I did all of these different cards and offers some tips and inspiration. I would love you to consider purchasing a kit, and I hope you have a whole bunch of fun with the rest of your summer. Thanks.